Gene of Ace Contracting and Services. Just pulled up to the spot where we are cleaning today. Like I said, this is a repeat customer here. Let me show you what we got going on. Let me flip this camera around. First thing first, major intersection. Went ahead and put a sign out so they know what we got going on. Went ahead and move some furniture. Getting my 12-volt pump hooked up. Spraying all of this. All of this is gonna get sprayed. They do open up at 11 for lunch, but of course it's pickup only, so trying to knock this out before 11 starts. All that is getting done today. Then going down this corridor, this breezeway, all the way till you see them steps over there. Trying to knock it out in one day. Got everything hooked up. Today's surfactant is going to be, boom, eliminator. Still got this on, not open. Had it for a while, but since they do open up at 11, gonna try to mask the smell a little bit. All right, laying down my surfactant. One thing I will say, eliminator's definitely helping some of the smell out. Make sure I hit the heavy areas. Hit that while I'm here. Hit this while I'm here. Oh, eliminator's doing much better than that game that I used. Soiled, very. Decided not to use the pencil stream I should say. Using the fan tip, adjustable nozzle there, best thing. I can keep it nice and wide and just go. Like I said, that 250 feet of hose definitely goes a long way also. Poly braided, chemical resistant hose. Spray the wall while I'm here. Stopping at that line. It's dwelling very well. Less than 5 minutes on. Now the camera is a little deceiving, but up close and personal, man, it looks good already. Dwell time is perfect. I mean, look at this, it's doing amazingly well. Went ahead and started the pressure washer. Trying to crank it up some. Let's go. And it is rinsed off. Can't wait to see this bad boy dry. Now it's still wet, so another thing to keep in mind. Once it dries, it's going to look a billion times better. But it's good though, trust me. Got my pump up spray, gonna hit a couple spots. Especially on the column and brickwork. All right, so I'm pretty much done with the job at this point. I'm gonna go ahead and flush out my pump. I do have fresh water coming out of it now. I already put my hand over the tip itself to make sure the internal components of the nozzle is cleaned out, because there is a little metal spring in there. But once again, it's all fresh water now. I'm just literally flushing it out. The thing is, I didn't have to use the chemical injector on my pressure washer today, so that's one less thing to rinse out. Once again, this is fresh water, not killing the plants or anything. And just like that, we are done, folks. Last minute walk through, making sure I touch base with the manager or chef to see if he's in. Grab that surface cleaner on the way out. But for the most part, I think we're good. Leaves, just piled them there for him. Really had no place else to put them. But it turned out real nice. It's dry. Boom. Looks real good dry. Once again, I'm gonna check in and I'm gonna get out of here. Spoke to chef. Everything looks good. He's happy, of course. And one thing I will say, this eliminator, that's what I'm using from here on out. No more gain for me, no more Dawn. I used it once or twice, but no more gain for me. That eliminator smelled good. It was very sudsy. Man, I like that stuff. So, wrapped up, about to go. One thing I will say, like and subscribe, please. And of course, Gene of Ace Contracting and Services.